Hello everybody, this is cartertwo here, and today we're going to be opening some more Madden mobile packs. This time I have bought a bundle, a Pro Pack bundle, which costed me $10, but hopefully it'll be worth it. So let's claim and continue. First pack, reveal all. Okay, we got Shelly Smith, just like Carter Smith. And that's pretty much the only good player. To update team, my offensive has gone up by 2. Let's continue. Next one. Reveal all. Oh shoot, what did I do there? I'm sorry about that, guys. I wasn't able to see, but I'll update it later. So let's reveal all. Okay, that's pretty good. Looks like I got a 75 player, which is okay, I guess. And a bronze trophy. Okay. Update team. That has brought both my defense and offense up 1, which is okay. Let's continue. Open pack. Reveal all. Okay, I got a wide receiver for a 77 gold wide receiver. Pretty good. But not the best. I don't think that has helped. No, yeah, never mind. I'm not able to update my team at all, so those are all just bench players, which sucks. So we're on my 5th pack. So open it. Reveal all. Oh, nice, Joe Flacco. But never mind. Well, I can sell him because I already have a better quarterback, 86. But I forgot his name, and basically everything else I'm not able to update my team. So I have a lot of selling to do. Open pack. Okay, let's see this. Reveal all. Okay. I got a safety, 75 safety. Oh, and I got Michael Ford, 80. That's good. Oh, and he's kick returner, so that would really help me. And my team updated, but it didn't really help. And now, the last one, let's do it one by one. First, we have, I have no idea how to pronounce that, Xavier Rhodes, maybe? Well, anyway, he's 78. Next one. Bad. My gosh. Oh, that's great. You know he's a bad player when he's not even wearing shoulder pads. And okay, that sucks. These all pretty much suck for me. Yeah. Well, at least I created an offensive all silver players. Let's claim. Yeah. Here, let's go into my team and then see what else I got here. If I got anything good. Manage lineup. Best lineup. Well, it looks like in the other one I didn't really get anything good. Well, guys, that's it for this one. Looks like I got a bad pack again. Woo. Boo. Okay. So, I got 7 bad packs pretty much. Well, not all bad, but, just not astounding. On offense, I'm nearly 80 overall. But I really have to work on getting a better OT. Well, thanks guys for watching. This has been Carter1. I'm out. Oh, sorry, Carter 2, and I'm out.